You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.